In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect smartphone from the car system. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, and next go to Phone, go to Menu, Settings, Device Connection, Bluetooth, and select your smartphone. Select Disconnect or Stop Pairing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.